So this spot is at Atlantic Times Square on the second floor of the 24-hour fitness. This is one of the few places that still do cart dim sum. It has the hoisin sauce and the sesame sauce on top, and it's pan fried. There's a little shrimps and little green onions. Someone said that it's hard to find, but they have it here. I think they have them at the places with carts mostly. The hoisin sauce and the sesame sauce is perfect. There's a little bit of hardness of the noodles because of the pan fried. Looking for this. Ha Gao. This is kind of bland. Not my favorite. It's very bland. Phoenix Claw. This one's not as gelatinous. It's kind of not as fatty. I prefer more fatty. After 11 o'clock, they have lunch items, like that stuff on the menu. They also have a special right now, $28.99 with congee, lobster, and noodles. A whole lobster. Peking duck, $26.99 here. I purposely picked this one because there's cartilage. Ooh, this is so flavorful. This one's good. Flavorful and tender.
So see these two by contrast, obviously like there's different sauces.
They're essentially the same thing, but this one is more pan fried.
Yeah.
And this one is steamed.
It's a little bit of everything in there, a little bit of shrimp. It's still like nice and soft and bouncy. And it's not that seafoody, even though there's a bunch of shrimp in it. But the sauce is a little bit different. It's like a little bit sweeter. Or this one is a little bit more savory, I would say. We order this one all the time. There's a big shrimp in the middle.
And it comes with a sweet soy sauce.
No surprise, but I think this is more like a solid place. Everything came out like extremely fast. Everything is like rapid fire.
Everything's steaming on the carts. So like the ladies are just walking around. If you need something, go grab them.
Yeah, let's try one of the most classic items I think we always get no matter what. Shumai. I think it's solid here because I think for the most part they do shrimp pretty well. It's chewy and the skin on the outside is very thin.
I noticed the demographic here is all older. So this is a popular place for the older crowd.
I mean, overall, I don't think you should feel very like intimidated because of the carts. They speak English and you're able to point. We used to come here all the time. This is like our go-to spot.
There used to be a long wait sometimes.
And then today was Saturday. It was raining just before 11 o'clock and we just walked right in.
So if you don't want a whole duck like us, you can get one plate. This is considered a 2-stamp dim sum item.
Not bad. I mean, where else can you get like duck with your dim sum? And it also comes with a duck sauce. This is like a nice fatty piece, a little bit bony. It's very juicy. You get a little bit of like the roasty, smoky type flavor. It's like a little bit oily though. That's the only warning.
Because the duck has more fat. Roast duck is like something that is a real Cantonese specialty. So what is something that you usually eat when you come eat dim sum? Like your must-have?
I think it's always chicken feet. We love chicken feet, phoenix claws, and then also these spare ribs. This is probably like my number 2 go-to, and the shumai is number 1.
My go-to is Ha Gao and Lao Mai Gai, which we still need to find.
Yes, for butsai go.
Oh yeah, that lady was so cranky. She muttered under her breath, she's like, this is a Chinese talao, which is like a higher end. She's like, why would it have it here? In the past, they used to have it when I was a kid.
I guess we're gonna have to go to the streets of New York City, Chinatown to go get it again, huh?
Oh yeah.
Or we ask you guys, if you guys know where it's at, let us know.
It is fatty. It's not bad. It has good flavor. Dessert time. It's so flaky. Really buttery. I like that it's small.
I'm highly amused that it's January and they're still wearing Santa hats.
This one's huge. This is a sticky rice wrap. It's wrapped in a lotus leaf, but then this one, they even take it further and they wrap it in paper. Sticky rice with chicken. See, this is a small piece of sausage. At Hong Kong Dim Sum House, they give you like this big. This one is not my favorite either. I think overall, everything here, the items, is not a standout item, but everything's just okay.
Also, you know, the insane thing is like 15 years ago, whenever we started coming here, is that this area is huge. Like the dining area is gigantic. And it used to be like a 30-minute wait, 40-minute wait. All right. So the total is Lisa's favorite number, 68 minus 1.
What? My favorite number is 100.
Anyway, we have a lot of leftovers. Our total for supporting SUV restaurants this year is right here. All right, what time is it?
6, 7. What time is it?
Yeah.
It is dessert time?
Coffee time.
It's coffee time? Oh, yeah. We love this place. Thank you for inviting us to come here. Smoking Tiger. Smoking Tiger is one of our favorite coffee shops in all of SGV because they just have our style of coffee here and their pastries are all good. All of them are good. There's never a pastry that we didn't like. But we are so happy that they're expanding so well and they make all their breads and all their coffees in-house. They're a really special spot.
Yeah, I checked our receipts. I think this is the place that we went to the most in 2025.
Yeah. Red bean cream bun. Oh, the cream is really nice. Vanilla cream.
Oh, nice.
It's like really light. It's like a cream puff in a bread.
This is really good, but messy people, beware. It gets everywhere.
So no hot dog latte. Hot dog is like a street food in all of Korea and it's one of my favorite Korean pastries. It is chewy and has nuts inside.
Oh,
This is beautiful.
yeah, we had it once before. We already know it's good.
There's nuts. This is the ultimate fall drink because it's like cinnamony and sweet and so good. And this is the smoking Spaniard. This drink, they have it all year round. Like their Spanish latte. Mix it a little bit.
We get it iced, always.
This is so creamy and delicious too. I think they use some condensed milk in there too. And this says bang bang bang, which means bread. Ooh, this is the gokuma creme brulee.
Which is a sweet potato.
It looks like a sweet potato, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Sweet potato on the inside. This is so cute. We love sweet potato.